Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to draw mountain scenery inside a circular shape. First, what I'm going to do is just nice and simple, draw a nice big circle like this, just right in the middle of the page. Just like this. I'm just going to go round on these bits that haven't got any ink in them, but have got ink, but it's not completely full of ink on the lines. See, that's not a perfect circle, and nor yours doesn't need to be a perfect circle either. Now I'm going to draw the mountains. This is really simple, but it looks really effective. From about here, just draw like a jagged line to about there, then go down, up a little bit, and then back down. Draw another jagged line like that. And there is the mountain. Now, I'm going to draw like a zigzag coming down the middle to make it look nice and effective. So from this point, just draw a zigzag. Like that. So when we come to colour it in, I'm going to colour in this side darker, this side lighter, and I'm going to draw the sun here. So the light shining on this side and the shadows on this side. But first, I'm going to draw a few more mountains. So a jagged line, and a jagged line down, a jagged line up, and a jagged line down. Now I'm going to draw the middle. So we just draw nice zigzagged line like that. So there we've got three mountains. I'm going to draw a sun now. Just right here, draw a big, well, reasonably big circle. Now we're going to draw some clouds. So about here, just draw a line about that long, and just a few bumps like that, just like this. And there we go, that is the outline done. It's a really simple drawing, but it looks really cool. Now you'll be able to see how I colour it in when I speed it up. So hope you enjoyed this tutorial. It's really simple. Hopefully yours looks brilliant, and now you also know how to draw mountains, whether you've got a circle around it or not. So I was thinking of doing a mountain scenery here just on the paper, and I can do that at some point, but I just thought for the time being I'll draw a circle around it to add a nice little effect. So thanks for watching this video. Subscribe for more content. Hope you enjoyed.